To do your research on your stocks, you're going to first have to pick a stock. You can go to the Dow 30. There's a couple. There might be different links in the one that you're looking at, but we do have the Dow 30. There's a bunch of these are more stable stocks, or considered more stable stocks. Let's rephrase that. Or the NASDAQ 100, and many of these you might have seen before. After looking at these, you're going to select one. So after I've looked at this, I've decided that maybe I would like to take a look at Microsoft Corp. So MSFT is going to be the ticker symbol. So I'm going to go to my Yahoo Finance, and I am going to make sure I'm in there. And up here, it will allow you to put in a ticker symbol, and that ticker symbol is MSFT. You could also click in, it does not have to necessarily just be that, it could also be the name, Microsoft, and it probably would have came up with the ticker symbol. Inside of here, my first suggestion to you is I would make sure I switch this to like a 1 year so you can kind of look at the graphs. And again, you use your own analysis, but you can see that Microsoft went way down. It's been going up. It's been trending down, but you want to buy low and sell high. So do you expect it to go up? Again, there's lots of things that you could do. There is actually an AI analysis that we currently have. It's hard to see on here because I'm so zoomed out. So, but you will see it in there that you could take a look at as well. Okay, so once you get the stock that you're going to be researching, you're going to go in here and you are going to put the company name. So I'm going to put Microsoft. And then you are going to put the ticker symbol. So the ticker symbol for this one, you will find it to the right of whatever the company name is. So in this case, it's MSFT. Next thing that you would want to do is tell me what exchange is it on. This means, is it on the New York Stock Exchange or is it on NASDAQ? Whatever it is right here, the very first words above the name, that is the stock exchange that it's on. So in this case, this is on the NASDAQ. So I'm going to just write that down. Cost per share and date of purchase. We're going to hold off on that until we actually purchase it. So we're going to skip that. 52-week range. We're going to scroll down and we are looking for 52-week range right here. So we are going to put in those numbers, 344. And again, yours is going to be different because you're probably doing this on a totally different day. Could be a different year than what I'm currently doing it on. Ex-dividend date. This is when we can expect the next dividend, or we have to actually buy the stock in order to get this. So ex-dividend date is February 19th for this case of 26. Next thing I need to do is I need to go to historical data. Yours might be up here or it might be over at the left hand side. It's going to depend. Mine's super small right now. I'm sorry, I'm going to go to profile first. So under profile, we're going to go down here. I can see that in Redmond, West Virginia is where the headquarters for Microsoft is at. But I do want to know the industry, which is software infrastructure, and I want to know how many employees. So it does have 228,000 employees, and it is the software infrastructure industry. Okay, last dividend date. So that is when we are going to go to historical data. If we go in here to historical data, one of the things I want you to note is it's looking at the past year. This is like how much it was yesterday, day before, etc. But we want to know how much for the maximum price. So we're going to go in here. We're going to change this to dividends. And we are going to do max after we change the dividends. Otherwise, your computer may freeze up. So we don't want to do that. So the last dividend date was November. Oops, that's an 11, not a 9. November 20th of 25, and that was for 91 cents. Last stock split, we're going to do the same way. We're going to click on stock split, and we can see that last stock split was February 18th of 03. The ratio was 2 to 1. This we leave blank because we haven't even bought the stock, so we are definitely not buying it, or I'm sorry, not selling it because we haven't even bought it. And that's all there is to it. You need to do this for a total of 7, okay? And you can pick any stock as long as it is on New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ.